Top 5 real estate terms you should know. As is. In real estate, an as-is property is one that's listed for sale in its current state, meaning that any issues or problems with the home will not be addressed by the seller. Closing costs. These are the expenses beyond the down payment, such as appraisal fees, attorney fees, and escrow funds that you pay upon closing. Earnest money. It is a deposit made to a seller that represents a buyer's good faith to make a purchase. Earnest money gives the buyer extra time to get financing and conduct the title search and inspections before closing. Due diligence. It means investigating facts about the physical and financial condition of the property. It gives the buyer time to get an appraisal, perform property inspections, so you know you are getting what you are paying for. Contingency. A clause that buyers include when making an offer on a home. It allows them to back out of buying the house if the terms of the clause aren't met